What's up, Wolfpack? My name is Paul, and you're watching Alpha Wolf Knife and Weapon Review. Now, if you're not part of that Wolfpack, hit subscribe and you won't miss any of my videos. Now, what I have for you guys today is a Trivisa knife. It's like the knife brand most of you have never heard of. Now, I got this off Alibaba, so the knife does come from China. Has a QC certificate that I kind of worry that if they just print these up and put them in all of them. But I'd like to think it's QC passed, but who knows. Little Trivisa craftsmanship. Lifetime warranty. Yeah. Little packet there. Comes with a nice little bag. I'm digging it. Very nice. Nice microfiber cloth. Yeah, that's good. Considering it's a polished blade, this will come in handy. And there she is. Let's take that on out and you can get a better look at that. What that is that's carbon fiber over G10. With G10 backspacer there. Tip up pocket clip, deep carry, goes all the way up. That pocket clip is non-reversible. It does not have spots on the other side. You can't make it tip down or make it left-handed. It's only right-handed tip up carry. Look at that beautiful blade, huh? It's beautiful Damascus. I'll get into that in a second. Okay, so the jimping on the flipper tab does give you a good amount of grip. I can feel that. Those are stainless steel liners. Let's see how she opens. Very smooth. Look at that, 110 layer Damascus blade. 110 layers. Mirror polished Damascus. Doesn't have any markings on it. As for the air goes, it's actually very comfortable. The only spots I can kind of feel are right here. They could have rounded that over slightly, but other than that, it's not bad. Yeah, right there. See, they could have rounded that over ever so slightly. It's got jimping right here. It's got a good grip, good feel to it. You can choke up a little bit on there. Feels great, the hand actually. It's too bad you can't really get this. It was sold on Alibaba, and when I looked again, it's not in their store anymore. They don't sell it anymore. Yeah, you can see that beautiful wave pattern on that 110 layer Damascus. Now that blade goes to a sharp point. Very thin on the tip though, you hear that? be afraid if I drop that, I'd lose my tip there. Extremely sharp edge though. That's a flat grind that goes all the way up. Very thin edge. Very sharp. Like I said though, I'd like to have a little more meat on the tip there. Look at that mirror. You can see everything. There I am. Anyway. Yeah, gorgeous. It's on bearings. Very smooth. Very smooth operation. Nice click out of that. I love it when you can hear the nice click of the liner lock clicking in. Great liner lock. But yeah, this knife flips open great. Good jimping on the flipper tab. Makes it flip open real easy. Real easy one-handed movements. Doesn't really... Little drop shutty, not too much. It will drop down. But if you assist it with the finger, it goes in no problem. Great looking knife. Very aesthetic. Absolutely love that 110 layer Damascus. That's 58 to 60 HRC hardness, supposedly. Wonder if that's part of their QC test. No, it would have a spot on the blade if it was, to be honest. That's how they test it. They put like a diamond pusher into it, and that's how they can tell how hard the blade is. It just doesn't have any spot that's been tested individually anyway. So yeah, that carbon fiber is layered over the G10, but it's still very nice. Very nice look to it. Now let's check and see how long that blade is. Looks to be slightly over 3.5 inches. So I would say 3 9/16. 3 9/16 inch blade. Let's weigh it up. Old school, huh? I know. Old school. .8 ounces. Let's get a blade thickness. We have a blade thickness of 2.82 millimeters. So yeah, I mean, it's a gorgeous knife, beautiful knife. The only downside I would say, I would like it to be full carbon fiber handle. But carbon fiber over G10 isn't bad. A little more meat on the tip there would be nice. I don't mind where the pocket clip is. That's where I like it anyway. If they drilled out holes here, it would kind of ruin the look to it. But some guys want it to be left-handed, so that's understandable. It's not for everybody. Does have a nice little microfiber cloth. Comes with. to help keep that mirror polish very nice. No fingerprints on there if you want to keep it looking good. Yeah, I mean, it's a great knife. It's too bad that they don't sell it anymore on Alibaba. I know, Chinese knife, you guys are like, oh, but it was only $50 on Alibaba, so it's a great deal for what it is. I mean, I can't complain about that. I mean, I thought it was a good deal anyway. Yeah, I mean, it's on bearings. It's on bearings and everything else, so it's very smooth. Very smooth operating knife. I really like that. Feels comfortable. It's great in many ways. Yeah, so I mean, if you get a chance, go on Alibaba or AliExpress and look up Trivisa. That's kind of a company you guys may or may have never heard of. They make good quality knives out of China, believe it or not. Well, budget quality knives. They're not exceptionally great quality, but for what they are, I think it's a good buy. I mean, other than the tip there, I'm afraid if I drop, I'll lose my tip. It's got a little bit of a choil there. That could be a little deeper when I sharpen it. But I'll get some out of that when I sharpen it before it starts to go up higher and I get a smile. It'll go up to here before I start to get a smile. Not too bad. Because what that is from here down, where that starts to curve, the knife blade is actually thicker. So when it starts to curve, you find the edge there, and that's technically where the knife choil should be. It should be a little higher up. But that would keep it from getting a smile, which is just a thicker edge right there, where the blade starts to get thicker. Believe it or not. But that'll just about do it, guys. If you like this Trivisa knife, give it a like, you know. If you're not subscribed, hit the little subscribe button and you won't miss any videos. And I will see you guys on the next one.